Hello, dear students. Welcome back in the third lecture on Poisson distribution. In the previous class, we have started the numerical examples on Poisson distribution. If you have the textbook, then already solved examples are there. You please go through it. Here I am solving the examples on Poisson distribution from the exercise which is given at the end of the topic. Those examples I am solving here. The next example on Poisson distribution for 2 marks is, in a Poisson distribution, probability of x equal to 2 is equal to probability of x equal to 3. Find probability of x equal to 4. Now what is given in the solution, we will first write the given. So given is probability of x equal to 2 is equal to probability of x equal to 3. Now we know that the PMF of Poisson distribution is P of x equal to e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to x upon x factorial. In that PMF we will put x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. So we will have e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial, which is equal to, now put x equal to 3, e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial. Now this term we will write as it is, that is e raised to minus lambda into lambda square divided by 2 factorial. But this term we will write as e raised to minus lambda as it is. This lambda raised to 3 we will write as lambda square into lambda, and 3 factorial we will write 3 into 2 factorial. Now the common term from both the side get cancelled. This e raised to minus lambda get cancelled with this e raised to minus lambda, lambda square get cancelled with this lambda square, and 2 factorial get cancelled with this 2 factorial. Now what is remaining? The left side remaining is 1, which is equal to, here remaining is lambda divided by 3, that we have written here. 1 is equal to lambda by 3. Now this 3 take to the left side, you will get lambda is equal to 3. Therefore, probability of x equal to 4 is equal to e raised to minus lambda. Now lambda is 3. So e raised to minus 3 into lambda raised to x, that is lambda raised to this 4 divided by 4 factorial. Now e raised to minus 3 value you will get 0.0498 from the statistical table, Poisson distribution table, into 3 raised to 4 is nothing but 81, and divided by 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. Simplify further, you will get 4.0338 divided by 24, and if you simplify this, then you will get probability of x equal to 4 is equal to 0.1681. Now come to the next question. In a Poisson distribution, the second probability term is half of the first probability term. Find the standard deviation. Now we know that the standard deviation is square root of lambda. Lambda is the parameter, so we have to find the parameter, that is lambda of Poisson distribution. Now what is given, that we will write here. What is given? The second probability term. Now you know that Poisson distribution range is x equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now 0 is a first probability term, 1 is a second probability term. So second probability term is given, that is probability of x equal to 1 is given, and it is nothing but half of the first probability term, that is half of probability of x equal to 0. Now put x equal to 1 and x equal to 0 in the PMF, that is e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 1 upon 1 factorial, which is equal to this half as it is into x equal to 0 we have to put in the PMF, that is e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. Now this e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to 1 upon 1 factorial as it is, this half as it is, e raised to minus lambda as it is, lambda raised to 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. Now common term from both the sides get cancelled. So what is common? E raised to minus lambda, e raised to minus lambda get cancelled. Now what is remaining? Here remaining is lambda and here remaining is half. So lambda is equal to half and lambda is equal to half means it is 0.5. Therefore standard deviation is equal to square root of lambda, which is equal to square root of 0.5 and which is equal to 0.7071 is the probability standard deviation of Poisson distribution. Then we will solve some 5-mark questions on Poisson distribution. Here first question is, on an average a box contains 2 defective items. Find the probability that a randomly selected box has, the first sub question is no defective item and second question is at least 2 defective items. Now in the solution what is given? On an average a box contain 2 defective item. On an average means mean is given. So lambda is equal, and we know that for Poisson distribution mean is equal to lambda and here mean is equal to 2. So lambda is equal to 2. Now we will consider x, that is number of defective items. If you consider x as variable x as number of defective items, therefore PMF of Poisson distribution is P of x equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x upon x factorial, where x equal to 0, 1, 2, so on infinity. Now in this PMF put lambda value, that is lambda equal to 2. Then you will get P of x equal to e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to x upon x factorial, where x equal to 0, 1, 2, so on infinity. Now first sub question is find the probability of number of defective items or no defective item. So probability of no defective item, and no defective item is probability of x equal to 0. Therefore probability of x equal to 0. In the PMF put x equal to 0. So e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial, which is equal to e raised to minus 2 as it is, 2 raised to 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1, which is nothing but e raised to minus 2, and e raised to minus 2 value you will get from the statistical table, Poisson distribution table. It is 0.1353. Therefore the probability of no defective item is 0.1353. Similarly, the second sub question is probability of at least 2 defective items. It is nothing but probability of x greater than equal to 2. At least means 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity, that is probability of x greater than equal to 2. At least 2 means probability of x greater than equal to 2. Therefore probability of x greater than equal to 2 is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than equal to 1. Why we need to find this 1 minus? Because probability of x greater than equal to 2 means we have to find the probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 5, so on up to probability of x equal to infinity. And practically it is not possible to find all these probability and add. So we have to find probability of x greater than equal to 2 is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than equal to 1. Less than equal to 1. Why? Because we want probability from 2, 3, 4, 5. So total probability is 1. 1 minus probability of remaining, which we are not going to consider here. So what we are not going to consider here is x equal to 0 and 1. So that we have to subtract. So 1 minus probability of x less than equal to 1. That is nothing but 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1, which is equal to 1 minus, in the PMF put x equal to 0. You will get e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial plus put x equal to 1, that is e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial. Simplify this. You will get 1 minus e raised to minus 2 is 0.1353 from Poisson distribution table into 2 raised to 1 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1 plus e raised to minus 2 is 0.1353 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 divided by 1 factorial is 1. If you simplify this, then you will get 1 minus 0.1353. Simplify this, you will get 0.2707. Then 1 minus, add this bracketed quantity, you will get 0.4059 and subtract from 1, you will get 0.5941, and that is the probability of at least 2 defective item is 0.5941. So this is the first example for 5 marks on Poisson distribution. In the next class, we will solve some more 5 mark questions on Poisson distribution.